The Santa Clara County Fire Department says this is a pretty rare occurrence. In fact, this is the very first Tesla battery fire that they've ever had to deal with. And so, it's a learning process. This was the scene at 10 p.m. last night in Campbell. Firefighters sprayed several thousand gallons of water trying to douse the stubborn flames coming from the battery of this Tesla Model S. In a typical gas-powered car, it would have been over in no time. But it turns out getting to those batteries is difficult because they're so low to the ground. What's more, there's a thick metal plate to protect the batteries from puncture. Using a forklift, they propped up the car on some wooden blocks and really got in there.
We're going to access it the best we can, but at the same time, we're not going to be tearing into the batteries, no.
It turns out this was the second time this Tesla had caught fire. The first time, that was around 2 p.m. the same afternoon. The owner, who didn't want to be identified, was coming down Highway 17 when he got a low tire pressure warning. He made it to a tire shop in Los Gatos and was inside doing paperwork when he heard hissing, saw smoke, and shot this video himself.
This car had been in my house today, and we go on vacation or something, and the car suddenly catches fire, the whole house can burn down, right? So yeah, I'm certainly worried. My wife certainly doesn't want me to own another Tesla.
Santa Clara County says they followed Tesla's protocol to cool the battery with water and then observe it for heat and flames. After 6 hours and talking with Tesla on the phone, it was the fire department that made the final call to move the car to the tow yard. Is that the sense that you're getting, that this is still kind of a learning process for everybody?
Yeah, absolutely. Again, the battery's actually burning, as we're seeing, presents a challenge that we need to become more familiar with. And again, we've been able to work with Tesla on that, and we'll continue to do it.
Tesla says the battery design, with its sealed units and firewalls, actually slows down the flames, giving passengers more time to escape, and that their cars catch fire about 10 times less than gas-powered cars. Tesla says they provide training to first responders and are expanding those efforts. As for what caused the fire in the first place, Tesla says the cause is under investigation. In Campbell, Kit Doe, KPIX 5.